Hi guys, in today's video I will be sharing with you 10 things that every girl must know about skincare. So I'm 100% sure that after watching this video that you will know many things about skincare that you didn't know previously. So yes, without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that every girl must know about skincare is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Like these things should be there in your and must be there in your skincare routine. Cleansing removes the dirt and excess makeup which is sitting there on your skin and helps your pores from it prevents your pores from getting clogged and from getting breakout. So if you guys are having breakout, then you guys are missing this step. And my next step is toning. Like what we do, we generally clean our face, cleanse our face, then we move on to the moisturizer. But don't do that, don't skip toning, because it's very essential. It's like gives a smooth splash of refreshment to your skin. It helps to soothe your skin, nourish your skin and restore your pH balance. So it's very important. And the next step is moisturizing. No skincare routine is complete without moisturizing. Whatever your skin type is, be it oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, do moisturize. Don't skip moisturizing, because I have seen many people who have oily skin, they think that we don't need moisturizing, but they are wrong. Like whatever the weather is, like it's rainy or like sunny or whatever it is, like don't skip this step, guys. It's very important. And do you guys like this top? I bought it from Amazon, and look at the sleeve pattern. So if you guys have not checked out my Amazon haul, that where I have added many beautiful pieces, so go ahead and check out the haul. I will add the link in the description as well as in I button. Layering your products in the correct order, like from the thinnest to the thickest. Many people don't know the what do you say, मतलब पता नहीं होता है कि कौन सा प्रोडक्ट पहले लगाना है, कौन सा प्रोडक्ट बाद में लगाना है. तो अप्लाइंग योर serums, lotion, moisturizers, how to apply it, what moisturizer or serum you should apply first, or what you should apply next. You should know it and you should take proper care in it. And if you apply the everything in a proper order, like from thinnest to thickest, then every layer will get observed into your skin more beautifully, like taking the previous layer along with it. So my next tip is to invest in good makeup. Don't go with the cheap quality makeup. Even if you want to invest a bit more, save your money, then buy good quality products. I'm not saying that you buy हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक 5000 का पैलेट खरीद लो या 2000 का फाउंडेशन खरीद लो. नहीं, मैं वो नहीं बोल रही हूँ. 500 रुपए के अंदर, 600 रुपए के अंदर भी बहुत अमेजिंग फाउंडेशन और बहुत अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स आते हैं. मेबलिन का बहुत अच्छा फाउंडेशन है. एंड इफ यू गाइज वांट मी टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन अफोर्डेबल हाउ टू क्रिएट अ मेकअप किट फॉर अफोर्डेबल मेकअप किट फॉर बिगिनर्स, लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो एंड आई विल क्रिएट वन फॉर यू. सो यस गाइज, थोड़ा सा इन्वेस्ट करो बट बाय गुड क्वालिटी मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स. The next thing is remove your makeup. Like removing your makeup, I think everybody knows it. Once we reach home, once everything is done, and once we are going to bed, we remove our makeup. So there I will stop you what to do. Like as soon as you hit the door, remove the makeup. Because once we come from office, what we want to do, we first thing we want to do is remove our work clothes. So similarly your skin also wants to breathe. So as soon as you hit the door, you reach your house, first thing you need to do is to remove makeup and cleanse. And then what you can do at the night time, once you are going to bed, then you can follow up with the skincare routine. Guys, like seriously do this, because it will, like, your skin will thank you a lot. And I have already done a skincare and how to remove your makeup properly a video on my Instagram. So if you want to check that out, you can go ahead and on my Instagram and check that video out. It's highly beneficial, and I have given like a detailed like thing, like how I remove my makeup and what steps I follow after. Like it's kind of a mix of how to remove your makeup properly and night skincare routine. So next thing that every girl should know about skincare, that include vitamin C in your like routine. Like I cannot even emphasize enough on the benefit of this one, and I am rather surprised that many people are not even aware about it, that including vitamin C is very 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 essential for you. Like even if you are in like add it in your serum, your moisturizer, your sunscreen, anyway you just add it. Even if you are like drinking orange puree even in your diet, anyway, like give your skin vitamin C. It's very essential for your skin. Next thing that every girl must know about skincare is exfoliate your skin. Like exfoliating is so important, guys. Don't skip it. Like scrubbing and exfoliating, like these are very important. And take care of like what kind of scrub you are using. Like it should not be very hard and very harsh on your skin. Like see what scrub is suiting you best and how much time, like how many times you can do it in a week. Like I generally do twice or thrice in a week, and like I scrub my body once in 15 days. So it's very important. It like gives a very smooth and fine even texture to your skin. Like if you are having spots on your skin, that like go for exfoliating. Trust me, it will help you. Next thing that every girl must know about skincare is like your skincare doesn't stop at your face. It goes beyond your face, your neck, your arms, your full body, your feet. Like I have seen many people like नेक पे स्क्रब कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा फेस मतलब फेस पे स्क्रब कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा नेक पे कर लेते हैं, पैक वैक लगाते हैं, देन लाइक बाकी सब इग्नोर हो जाता है. डोंट डू दैट, बिकॉज जितना आपका फेस इंपॉर्टेंट है उतना ही आपका पूरा बॉडी भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. लाइक स्क्रब योर बॉडी, लाइक अपने हाथों का, पैरों का, अपनी फुल बॉडी का बहुत अच्छे से लाइक ध्यान रखो. लाइक यूज ऑयल्स. Like I'm a big oil person, and I recently created a video regarding castor oil, how you can use and like add the castor oil in your skincare routine, and it will highly benefit you guys. Trust me, castor oil is like a magic for the skin, like for especially for the people who are having dry skin. And my next tip and like trick, whatever I say, that have a proper nighttime skincare routine, because I know we are very tired and like इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता है रात तक. तो वी ऑल लाइक आई अंडरस्टैंड, आई अग्री, रात तक वी आर वेरी टायर्ड एंड नहीं टाइम मिलता है. बट ऑल द मैजिक हैपेंस एट द नाइट. लाइक वंस योर बॉडी इज रेस्टिंग, आप आराम कर रहे हो, तो देन लाइक एक अलग ही मैजिक होता है. तो ट्राई टू इंटीग्रेट स्किन केयर. जो मैंने आपको वीडियो बताया, यू गाइज कैन चेक आउट दैट वीडियो. लाइक मुझे हार्डली 5 मिनट्स भी नहीं लगे थे वो चीज करने में. तो यू कैन लाइक डू फॉलो दैट नाइट केयर रूटीन. यू गाइज कैन फाइंड दैट इन ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. माई हैंडलर इज tanvi.agarwal562. सो लाइक मैं यहाँ पे भी और नीचे अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी लिंक ऐड कर दूंगी. सो कमिंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग. Next thing that every girl must know about skincare is to clean your makeup brushes properly. It's very very important. You should clean your makeup brushes to like avoid infection and clog pores and everything. What you can do, like take a little bit of shampoo, like mild shampoo, you have baby shampoo or anything, or add little bit of oil and take the brush and like swirl it on your palm. Then like once you wash the brush, and once the like water starts coming clean, then you know that like the brush is clean. So I'm planning to make a separate video on how to clean your makeup brushes properly. So yes, like be tuned for that. So yeah, it's very important to clean your brushes. It's very very important for your skin, for your skin care, and like for your skin to breathe properly. The next thing is understand the weather and change with the weather. So like understand what kind of climate you are living in, and like what is the temperature, what is the weather. If it's a runny, it's a sunny season, in a rainy season, like use your moisturizers, creams, and like lotions like that. If it's a winter season, use thick lotions. If it's a summer season, use like moisturizer, very water based moisturizers. So again, I am planning one more video like what kind of moisturizers you should be using, and I will add everything. Like even I will add vitamin, some good vitamin C moisturizers which are very budget friendly. So yeah, stay tuned for that as well. Like I have so many ideas in my mind. So yes, this is the last step from me, and let me know guys that like I'm working so hard for all these things, that if it is benefiting you in any way, and like which tip you like the most, and if you have any tip for me, then share in the comment section down below. I will see you in my next one. Already a video बहुत बड़ा हो गया. Bye, take care.